Good morning, folks. Welcome to the channel. Today is an exciting day. Today we're on our way to Tyre Mart to procure two sets of Apollo Aptera 82s. I did a lot of reading up on this product, and I've seen a lot of videos, and I decided today we are pulling the trigger on this transaction. We're on our way to Tyre Mart and to go and install these tires. While we're installing it, we can have a quick chat with Casper and Barry. Casper's the owner of the franchise there on Ondakas, and Barry was so kind enough to speak to the guys from Apollo to meet us there today to quickly just explain to us about the specification and how this tire was tested. So guys, enjoy the show with us, and let's go and chat to these guys. Good morning, folks. Welcome to the channel. I'm here with Casper from Tyre Mart.
Sure, Rodney. Thank you very much, and thanks for the opportunity. We really appreciate it. Thankful for the support from your side. So Barry and I have been involved in this store since 2019. It was the Tyre Mart franchise before, but we took over in that space short before COVID.
Yeah, wonderful.
And we've been doing business since then, and we're very thankful to say that our business has grown in leaps and bounds over the last 6 years or so.
Yeah.
Tyre Mart is a multi-branded tire fitment center where we aim to provide customers the right tires at the right price.
Okay.
So the idea is to make sure that what your needs are in terms of tires, what is it that you're looking for in a tire? And we're looking to fulfill those needs. For us, the benefit is that we've got access to all brands. We're not limited to one or two brands only.
You've been mentioning that you got a special machine that you just got into the franchise.
Yes.
Tell me a bit more about it.
Yes, correct. So that machine is called the Road Force Balancer. It is state-of-the-art equipment. It's the best equipment on the market at the moment.
Yeah.
And the Road Force machine is designed to eliminate any and all balancing issues, small to large.
Okay.
It has a drum which physically measures the pressure of the tire on the road, and it can determine whether there's a problem on the tire in terms of run out, or whether there's a problem on the wheel, or where the wheel and the tire are not mounted optimally.
Okay, so that is so cool. So the machine can determine which side of the vehicle the tire must go on.
Correct. Another feature of that machine is that it can determine road force pull. So it measures the left and the right hand stiffness in the tire, even inside of the tire. So once you've balanced four wheels, that machine can tell you which is the best wheel to place, left front, right front, to minimize the pull effect on the road. Yes. Very thankful to have Barry as a part of our team, as the manager in the store. Our focus is 100% customer satisfaction. We are very serious about customer experience and making sure people get what they pay for, and when they leave, they feel like it was a good deal.
Oh, wonderful. I wonder if we can't get an Apollo guy here. What do you think?
Let me see what I can do.
Hi, Ernest. Thanks for having me. My name is Ernest. I'm a representative from Apollo Tires. I handle the Gauteng area. So yeah, today we're talking about the 82 tire. So this is a tire designed for the 4x4 enthusiast and also SUV category. So it's available in a 2-ply sidewall and also then a 3-ply sidewall. So the 2-ply sidewall will be more for the guys that will be using it on an SUV, just a normal day-to-day driving in town. But it also has the looks and the capability of a decent all-terrain tire. Then if you look at the one with the 3-ply sidewall, that's the hardcore 4x4 operator. That's the one with the stiffer sidewall. You need the stability, you know, when you go off-road, when you've got some load in the vehicle, you know, the reinforcing on the sidewalls help, you know, for that. And the stability is one of the things that you need. The design is on the tread blocks is designed so that you don't have road noise. The harmonics is in such a way that it doesn't give you that humming sound that sounds like a wheel bearing. So the design is done very well. Rotation is obviously still very important. we'd suggest, with every service, which is normally a 10,000 Ks, just do your rotation and make sure you take care of the air pressures. And yeah, the tire is out there and performing very, very well. There's a lot of testimonials out there.
Yeah, the whole idea behind this tire that I've procured is I want to go and do overlanding. And how does this product handle low pressures? How does that work?
So the tire, all the tests that we've done so far has been done in the Kalahari and Botswana. And the trips normally there is on severe off-road conditions, and the tires get deflated a lot. Yeah. The tires perform very well.
Looking forward to testing these tires and putting it through its paces in our overlanding trips and stuff. And guys, just pay attention to my channel. We're going to be testing these tires to the maximum, and I'll be giving a review on these tires as well. Are we going to let Barry show us around in the workshop?
Yes.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, gentlemen.
Nice.
All of the best.
Nice to have you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Guys, let's go check out the workshop and see what these guys are up to.
Rodney, here's your vehicle. We fitted it with a Apollo Optera 82, the new all-terrain from Apollo.
Casper, thank you very much for this interview, and Barry, thanks a lot. Guys, thank you so much for your services. Thanks, bye-bye now. Bye. Hey folks, thanks for watching this episode of African Gear Guide. Guys, drop in a comment if you have bought these tires before. Let us know what you feel about these tires, how they perform for you, how many kilometers you got, so that everybody can see what you guys have achieved with these tires. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. We really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what's wrong with you? Get onto the channel and subscribe so I can bring you more awesome content. All of the best, guys. God bless. Go well.